Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far. And welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. And it's going to be a bullish update. All right. We're pretty bullish over the course of today. Yesterday, this was already like in the when I did an update yesterday, early afternoon ahead of the inflation rate and CPI. What I said is that if we actually see positive numbers, right? So which we did see. Then I did say it's most likely we will continue this bullish momentum. But initially we actually saw a big dump, as most of you know. And that has right now continued in bullish momentum, and also a significant structure break, in my opinion, from a bearish structure, which you could very, very clearly see that we were in a downtrend right here, to a bullish structure. And we already, on Monday, we already got that first bullish breakout right here. And then what we talked about yesterday in the second market update, I did a lot of updates yesterday. What I said then is then, if we can actually break above this red line here, then I think it's confirmed. So at this point of time, if we purely objectively look at the price, technically, we are just bullish, all right? You can clearly see that the trend has swapped here, at least on the 4-hour time frame, but on the 12-hour time frame, on the higher time frames, we're also very close to actually shifting the trend here. And the fundamentals are quite bullish. So it's lining up relatively well here. Now, I have to say that I'm not fully convinced yet, all right? On the 4-hour time frame here, this certainly looks like a bullish structure, right? You have a big liquidation candle, and then slowly we're starting to reclaim some major key levels. This is a bullish market structure. And what we also saw overnight, and that's the first time we've seen that in a relatively long period of time, is that there were actually buys coming in. A lot of the bullish momentum we've seen in the last week or so has been shorts closing. But then what you saw right here is that the open interest went up with a positive CVD. So that's good to see. Something like this, I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen in a while. And it has actually continued over the course of this morning. So both the Asian session and the start of the European session here have been relatively bullish. And there's reason to believe the US session will continue with that, because if you look at the stock market, pre-market, that's already trading much, much higher. And we've seen a significant bounce here, which, we might open the US session later today a little bit bearish, but a bullish continuation does seem most likely from this point as well. So there's not much at this point of time to be bearish about. I will remain cautious. Like I said, on the higher time frames, this is still not a bullish structure, and we have a ton of resistance all the way from 59,000 all the way up to 61,000. So I'm not telling you to 100x leverage buy everything here, but I do think it's most likely here that we will continue over the course of today and tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, we might see somewhat of a bigger pullback or a reversal, but we'll see. I'll keep you updated day by day. For now, I would say it's most likely that we will be able to keep up this bullish momentum and head for the mid 59,000s and possibly 60,000. But like I said, and I do want to stress this, like this is assuming that that over the course of today, we will see some sort of a continuation of strength in the capital markets. The capital markets yesterday were ridiculously strong, so that caused a lot of this bullish momentum. If we see some sort of a turnaround for whatever reason, there's in this world, a lot of things can happen, of course. If something like that happens, like you should still be careful. Like if Bitcoin here breaks back below 57,500, will be bearish, and that is a realistic possibility. I would just say, given the circumstances and given what we're seeing here, I would say it's most likely we will continue the bullish momentum we've been seeing for the last 24 hours. Those are my thoughts, all right? So that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. I will be back later today, I think, with a new market update, so keep your eyes open for that one. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.